sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Or you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out? Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I take you to a moment where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told? When the evening pulls the sun down and the day is almost through, oh, the whole world is sleeping, but my world is you. Can I be close to you? 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 Can I be close to you?
Welcome, family, friends, and loved ones. We are gathered here today to celebrate the marriage of two great individuals and dear friends of mine, Paige Keogh and John Gruszczyk. On behalf of Paige and John, I would like to thank you for being here today. You've traveled from near and far to celebrate and share in this commitment they will make to one another. Your presence symbolizes the love and joy you feel for these two as they enter a new chapter of their lives. They ask for your blessing, encouragement, and lifelong support for their shared life together. They are so grateful to be surrounded by so many people who have been a part of their lives over the past 30 years. They also remember and are thinking of loved ones who cannot be here today. Today we will celebrate the lifelong commitment Paige and John will make to each other. As officiant and friend, I'm honored to be part of marking the start of their marriage. As husband and wife, you will continue to grow together and strengthen your relationship more than any spoken or written words. Marriage is a promise in your heart to the person you love most that takes a lifetime to fulfill. Let today be a reminder of all that your love has already accomplished, as well as the amazing possibilities of your partnership as you continue to grow together for the years to come. Paige and John not only want to celebrate the love between them, but also honor the love for their families and the role they've played and will continue to play in their lives. Without that love, their relationship and today would not be possible. You both have personalities that are, how should I say, larger than life. Your weirdnesses align perfectly to the other, and I'll leave it at that. So without further delay, let's get down to business.
John, I couldn't imagine my life without you. You make me laugh every day, take care of me when I'm sick, pick me up when I'm feeling down. But most of all, you're my best friend, and I'm so proud to take you as my husband today. As we journey through married life together, I vow to respect you and appreciate our differences, to be open and honest, especially when things are difficult to say. I promise to give you the freedom to be yourself and trust in the growth as we discover new adventures together. I vow to challenge you and to frustrate you. I'll be your strongest supporter, your biggest fan, and encourage you to pursue your dreams. I promise to turn off the stovetop when you forget so we don't burn the house down. I vow to be there to comfort you, offer infinite snuggles, hide the candies from you at night when you can't be trusted, and pick you up when life knocks you down. I believe that we can overcome all obstacles and that our best moments are still in front of us. I vow to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Paige, here we are 10 years in the making of what has been an amazing journey. You're kind, caring, respectful, sometimes funny, and the ultimate snuggle queen. You continually go out of your way to encourage me in all that I do, even when you don't understand it. And I find myself admiring your fearlessness, how you push your own boundaries and comfort limits, even when I know you're not thrilled, like trying escargot. So I vow to support and motivate you to accomplish all of the things I know that you're capable of, to be your number one fan through challenge and triumph. I vow to remain lighthearted and laugh with you every day, and to be there to make you smile when you had a tough day. And I vow that we will remain forever young at heart, continuing to adventure together for as long as we live. Today marks the start of a new journey that we'll embark on together, which is the only thing that matters to me, that we're going on it together. Home for me is anywhere I am with you, with your hugs and your heart. In life, many things are not perfect, but there's no doubt that we are perfect for each other. Some would even say, maybe even meant to be together.
John, will you accept Paige's vows and take her as your partner through life, to care for her in sickness and health, and to be her best friend as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Paige, will you accept John's vows and take him as your partner through life, to care for him in sickness and health, and to be his best friend as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I, Paige, give you, John,
I, Paige, give you, John,
this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you. This ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
I will respect your individuality
I'll respect your individuality
and ask you to be no other than yourself,
and ask you to be no other than yourself,
loving what I know of you
loving what I know of you
and trusting what I do not know yet.
and trusting what I do not know yet.
I give you my heart and my promise
I give you my heart and my promise
that we will walk hand in hand wherever our journey leads us.
that we will walk hand in hand wherever our journey leads us.
John, please put the ring on Paige's finger and repeat after me.
That's right. Yeah, there you go.
I, John, give you, Paige,
I, John, give you, Paige,
this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
this ring is a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
I will respect your individuality
I will respect your individuality
and ask you to be no other than yourself,
and ask you to be none other than yourself,
loving what I know of you
loving what I know of you
and trusting what I do not know yet.
and trusting what I do not know yet.
I give you my heart.
I give you my heart, my promise,
that we will walk hand in hand wherever our journey leads us.
that we will walk hand in hand wherever our journey leads us.
After
Shove it
10
up.
years,
Shove it
we've
up.
all waited patiently for this day to come. As officiant and friend, you finally did the dang thing. By the powers vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. It is with great honor that I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Gruszczyk.
if I ever were to lose you, I'd surely lose myself. Everything I have found, dear, I'm not found by myself. Try and sometimes you'll succeed to make this man of me. All my stolen missing parts I've no need for anymore. I believe, and I believe 'cause I can see our future days of you and me. Back when I was feeling broken, I focused on a prayer. You came deep as any ocean. It's something out there here. All the complexities and games, no one wins, but somehow they're still played. All the missing crooked hearts, they may die, but in us they live on. I believe, and I believe 'cause I can see our future days of you and me. When hurricanes and cyclones rage, when wind turned dirt to dust, when floods they came or tides they raised, ever those who became us. All the promises at sundown, I've meant them like the rest. All the demons used to come around, I'm grateful now they've left. So persistent in my ways, hey angel, I am here to stay. No resistance, no alarms, please, this is just too good to be gone. I believe, and I believe 'cause I can see how our future days of you